Biggie Daddy, because of your transformer. Biggie Daddy, they want to kill each other because of you. Long John. Mr. Longer John, he came from afar. Longer John, he came from city. Longer John, Mr. Traveler. Open Africa, hey, Aluema. Nepananya, Ndogo, Unana Fuka. Longer John is our village tenant, but all our cares after him. This is unbelievable. I come out for all the people give original information.
Ned, what are you doing here?
I'm fetching water.
Fetching water. He didn't tell me he employed someone to do that. I
don't understand. Employed? How?
I mean, I passed the night here. Yes, when we were discussing, he never told me he ran out of water and told someone to fetch water for him. So who told you to fetch water for him?
I don't know where you're going to, but please move.
My sister. Here is my destination. And I have called him on phone. He said he's on his way coming back. Let's wait. Let's watch and see.
I don't know why you're telling me all this so. Because after fetching this water, I am going to sweep this compound and stay back and wait for you.
Congratulations, Nady. You are good at that. Fetch water for him. Do everything you want to do. As for me, Philomena, I don't need to do all that because I am not dragging Long John with anyone.
Neither do I. Not even you can come between us.
Really?
Yes.
If wishes were horses.
Do I look like I care? Action speaks louder than voice.
I am looking for my husband. Long John, my husband. I am looking for my lover. Long John, my lover. I am looking for my husband. Long John, my lover. I am looking for.
Good evening.
How are you?
I'm fine. I'm back. You said you would teach me how to ride bicycle.
Sit down.
No, I don't want to sit down. Let's go now.
Okay. Give me some time to pack my things.
Okay.
Mama, yeah, nothing will ever stop me from dealing with that useless son of yours. Mwete bigolu, Mwete bigolu.
Chijoke, please now. Chijoke, please. Mama, help us and talk to him, please.
Mama Chijoke, please, beg your son for us now.
Mama, please, stop asking my mother to beg me. Go and bring that useless son of yours here. Let's settle this once and for all. Inania.
Tell us that you are forgiving him, so that he will have the mind to come with us. Yes.
Am I playing with you? Managi, I not church.
Mama Chijoke, we are not saying anything.
What do you want me to say? Your son dented my image in this village. Over nothing, oh. What did I do to him? Nothing. And you are here telling me to tell my son to calm down. What a promo. You tell him what a promo. Don't tell me that again.
Don't worry. He will come and apologize. Oh? Because.
Okay, when he comes now. Mama,
I am done with this rubbish. I'm going to that junction to wait for that idiot. He will definitely pass there when going back home. I swear, don't worry.
Okay, please.
Mama.
Maybe Naya. Because you need to put them near. Is he not your son? Eh? Is he not your brother? Mama, please leave me a beg. Hey, Zoba. I'm not the cause now.
I am looking for my Long John.
Liar. I thought you said you called him that he's coming. Why is he not here yet?
Laborer. Keep laboring in vain. You will labor for nothing. Okay, make it vam nanya. Nothing.
That's the only thing you're good at. Very soon I will laugh. I will laugh at you.
See who will laugh at me. You will be ashamed of yourself very soon. Don't go Charlie. Go Charlie, you will be ashamed of yourself soon. Go Charlie now. Go Charlie. Long John, my love.
Let the dogs out. Who let the dogs out? What is happening here? Eh? What are the both of you doing here? Philo?
Don't philo me. Philo Bukwagi. Why are you calling my name? Why are you calling my name? Am I the only one here?
Ned.
Ogini. Ogini. She scolded you, now you're calling me. What is it? Present yourself. Oh.
Hey. Lekwaha. Look at both of you running your mouths like a train that failed brake. I don't blame you. You have tasted what your mother has tasted. That's why you are shameless here, barking like dogs, disturbing the neighborhood. Long John, Ogini. What is it? Go to your father's house. Nabunu. As what? Unu malebunu do irasemu. Don't azu.
No, as who? Now and as what?
What are you not understanding? This is my boyfriend's house. My uncle's house. My father is the caretaker. And I, Linda, I am the manager. I am in charge here. I have every right to do and undo, to create and remove.
Manager. Manager. The time will come and we will know who is managing and who is not managing.
I don't know why both of you choose to waste your time. Eh? Long John is not the only man in this world. Leave him for me.
I said it all. Long John is not the only man in this world. He's not even the only man in this village. Why are you people killing yourself over him? Tell yourself the truth. You are only here because of his Long John. Because of his dimper.
Philomena. Philo Castina.
You are calling my
name. If I slap you.
With which hand?
If I slap you,
with
your brain will reset. Listen, let me tell you. Because I know it is both of you that are here because of his Long John. Because of his... That is why you are here. You left what your mother asked you to do at home. You came here and be fighting for her. Okay, because Long John. I am here because I love you.
Linda,
I love John.
What are you loving? If Long John is not there, will you love him? Will you love? If his Long John is not there.
Osita, you needed to see how he was pressing Amoge. I was holding Amoge.
Wait, did Amoge see you?
Yes, now. She saw me and she paid no attention.
So that idiot is the reason why Amoge has been giving me attitude. No, tell me. Long John is the reason why Amoge has been insulting me.
See.
No wahala.
You have to do something. Oh. You know you are my friend. That's why I said I should just come and tell you this. I can't see such thing and just keep quiet.
Mabasi, Long John has touched the lion's tail and he must pay. What nonsense? No.
To crown it all, it's not only you that this guy is doing this thing to. Almost all our guys, he has collected their girlfriends.
Eh? Hi! Amoge has insulted me. Can you believe it's because of that idiot that Amoge called me a village stout?
Just imagine that fool. See,
You know, Kuzuko and Madam. Be mazin no, you should watch and see. Now watch him that this village, you see that guy, eh? Long John or whatever they call him, many also know but that. Mother say, Mobile see mama, many also know but that. Leon, man, I go faster now. Into your thing, so bad draw. No wahala.
Give original information. Give original information.
Mama, let's go and report this matter to our village chairman. That will make the matter worse. Huh?
Mama, it's for the safety of Piccolo. Chijoke might harm him.
I am confused. Look at the kind of problem Piccolo is creating for me in this village. What have I done to deserve all this? What have I done? If you were Piccolo here, Piccolo there, Piccolo here, Piccolo there. Eh? Hi.
Yes. Chijoke is threatening to kill Piccolo anywhere he sees him.
He's back. Eh? Who?
Your son, our brother.
Who?
Yes.
He's back.
He's inside.
What is it? Long John. My Long John is here. What is it? Where are you going? My Long John is here. My Long John is here. My Long John is here. My Long John. Oh, no. You're doing it. My friend, will you get away from here? What is wrong with this one? Come and touch me. Come and touch me. You will just leave this. My Long John. Don't touch me, oh! Don't touch me, oh! Don't touch me, oh! My Long John! Will you leave this? My Long John, oh! Leave me, my Long John! I will not leave you! I will not leave you! Overgrown baby! Leave me, oh! I will leave you! I will leave you! My Long John! Should touch my Long John! Nobody should touch my Long John! No, it's mine! It's mine! Long John, you're saying it's mine! It's mine! My Long John! It's mine! It's mine! It's mine!
Long John. Every girl want to have you. Long John, they say you the big daddy, because of your grandma. Big daddy, they want to kill each other. Long John, because of you. Long John, they call you big daddy, because of your grandma. Big daddy, they want to kill each other. Because of you. Long John.
Amoge, shame on you. Imagine you, Amoge.
Mr. Long John. He came from afar, Long John.
Where is she?
He came from city, Long John. Mr. Traveler.
Shift. Where is she now?
She can't even come out. She's in so much pain.
Imagine. See what you have done to your sister. Huh?
Did to who? They were not the only people, oh. They were about 10 girls.
10 guinea?
10 girls.
Hey!
Fighting over a man.
Hey!
Shameless set of people. 10 girls, oh.
Ojiogu Jidefa. Or did you bewitch them? I mean to say.
Yes.
Papa, you're not far from the truth. Ojiogu, man Ojirogu. He bewitched them, but there is no diabolical means. Yes.
Nai, I doubt. It's like he used juju on them.
Mama, we are talking the same thing now. We are saying the same thing. He used juju, man Ojiro juju. They understand. She understands. She can tell you better.
Me jisakare ni biongo kai ugu nai. Jisakare ni biongo ugu.
Hey! Onyenka. Oboroba. Anyway, I want to see him. I want to see the young man.
Stay on your own now. Stay. Don't give me what to touch now. Don't stress now. You can make body more go. If you bring your leg up now so I can massage you.
Hey! Whatever you call yourself, we came to we are here to know what you have done to our daughters. That's why we came here.
Talk, yes. Talk now.
Madam, your daughters are possessed with an evil spirit called Incubus.
Once again,
it's a sexual demon.
Hey.
Now listen, If I come here, if you know what to do to my daughters, you better undo it. If I come here again, what I will do to you, your name will be...
Madam, you heard me. I said your daughters are possessed.
You're the one that possessed them.
With an evil spirit called Incubus.
If they are possessed, you possess them.
No, it is a sexual demon. It makes them horny.
Shut up!
You don't shut up your mouth.
Look at this riffraff. Are you not afraid? Let me tell you this. You have my wife very, very well. For me to come back again and meet you here, it is trouble. Therefore, retrace your step. Let's go.
If I come here again,
let's go.
Your name is sorry.
Let's go.
They are possessed. Now you possess them.
No, but you are possessed. You possess them. You don't understand. You should ask me how.
Is this not Mazudeme's daughter?
Mama, go now. Get your boss out of here.
I will tell your mother.
What did they do here?
I will tell your mother.
Where did they come? What did you come to do now?
It's becoming very risky staying in this house with this money. What should I do? I need to think of a better place. But where do I go from here? I can't even go to the bank. I made a very big mistake. I shouldn't have converted the money. The denominations are much. I have to think of something really fast.
You're back.
Yeah.
Ngozi, I heard you have joined the chorus. I don't understand. I don't understand. You did not sleep in your room last night. And I was told by someone who saw you living in his house this morning. I'm talking about the tenant in our village. You're not talking.
That's because I don't know what you're talking about.
I am surprised that you're denying it. But my candid advice is for you to stay away from that man. Nobody knows who that man is. I'm telling you because you are my sister.
Mr. Longer John, he came from afar. Longer John, he came from city. Longer John.
Who was the person that saw me leaving Long John's house? Eh?
Long John, every girl want to have you. Long John, they say you be big daddy, because of your John Thomas. Big daddy, they want to kill each other. Long John, because of you. Long John, they call you big daddy, because of your John Thomas. Big daddy, they want to kill each other. Long John, because of you. Long John.
Let go, Sammy. Let's go have Neddy. I'm okay. I'm here to see you.
See me for what? Osita, please leave before my father sees you.
That's what I want now. If I will not leave this place until your father come and see me.
Osita, just go.
Osita,
go now.
Where will I go? I'm okay, tell me. Maggie. Have I wronged you in any way? I will apologize to you. Tell me now.
You have not done me anything. Just go. Just leave, please.
Why are you doing me like this?
Osita, leave. Osita, just...
I'm okay. Don't tell me it's because of that idiot. No, don't tell me it's because of that idiot. See, let me tell you, I will not stay in this village. I'm on a village, yeah, and that man will take you away from me. You see that guy? I will chase him out of this village. Watch. I get bet. Shall we bet? So bad, don't worry.
Yeah. Oh, Chineke. Is it by force? Osita, you can't do anything. You can't do anything. Don't want again. It's not by force.
This is time to baby. Long John. Long John. Long John. Apatania no son. You can disguise. Man, Apatania no son. He can hide. Disguise. Man, Apatania no son.
Who put this poster here?
You can disguise. Man, Apatania no son. No hiding place for you. Apatania no son. Apatania no son. You can disguise.
Thank God I met you here. I was actually going to your shop or probably your house to give you a serious warning, Long John or whatever they call you, to stay away from my girlfriend. If not, I will kill you in this place.
Hi. Stop shouting. By the way, who's your girlfriend?
I'm shouting. Mama is shouting. See, Long John, I will not warn you again. Stay away from Amoge. Mabasi, leave Amoge alone. Or
you should be the one to tell Amoge to leave me alone. Yes. Tell her to leave me alone. You should be ashamed of yourself. As big as you are, you can't give her what she wants. She keeps coming back to me. Big body, small engine.
Mama. I cannot give Amoge what she wants, Abi. Long John, you give her small body, big engine.
Yes, of course. You want to see it?
No, you want to challenge me? No, do you want to fight us in one, Mama? You can't tell you about now. You can't barely give him now.
Young man, you don't know who I am.
Who are you?
Because you see me in this village.
Who are you?
Because you see me in this village.
Long John, I say, who are you? You can't tell you about now.
Yeah, you think it's by being rude. It's not by being rude.
Long John, watch your back, oh. Watch your back, Long John. I will not warn you again. Mabasi, if you don't stay away from my girlfriend, I will kill you. I will kill you and bury you in this village and nothing will happen. No, should you bet me? Long John, I said bet me and watch and see. No problem. Let me see you just 1 inch close to Amoge again. You don't like yourself. Small body, big engine. Amoge kill you. Ha. Can we get again? Can we kill you? Don't like yourself. And what ya? Can we get again?
Okay, Ogo, my only Ogo, my only in-law. Huh? Calm down. Huh? Don't worry yourself so much. Very soon, she'll be home. Just exercise some little patience. Oh?
Papa, it's okay, I've heard you. I'll wait for her. Papa, I just want to see my wife. I love my wife so much.
But she's still your wife.
I just want to see her for her to tell me the wrongs I have done to her. for her to leave my house and even change her lines. I've been calling her, but I can't even reach her.
Very soon, she will realize her mistake and she will come back to you.
Don't worry.
You decide to bring disgrace.
Madam, what? What are you doing here? Who invited you to this house?
Adeze.
Mama, please leave me alone. Leave me alone. What have you come to do here? Who invited you? Didn't I tell you that it was over between us? It is over. Leave me alone.
Ada, what wrong have I done to you?
What wrong haven't you done? Oh, you're done with those mistresses of yours? No, you can't be done. Go and meet them. This is time for you to go meet them. I am done with you. And trust me, I am so happy living my life. Jeje, and I'm okay with it. Do you understand?
Adeze, shut up and sit down there.
Papa, you cannot tell him to shut up and sit down when this man is still here. He should leave this house. Who invited you? What is this?
No, Adeze, what is wrong with you?
My love.
Woman, go and tell your daughter not to push me so hard into showing the other side of the way. Let her go and want her because I won't take it back. My in-laws.
Adeze.
Listen to me. I don't have to do that. Neither will she marry another person. I am still alive.
The problem is I don't know what I have done.
I'm equal to the task. I know how to handle it. I know how to handle it. Let me give my wife the chance to talk to her first. Calm down. You are my in-law, recognized, approved. You go. After, come to cola. Oh? Calm down.
Come on. Come. Sizoba, where is Piccolo, your brother? Go in, tell him the youth are here to see him. Pop there back.
Piccolo is not around.
What's it?
You don't know since he left this.
Chizoba, or what they call you, don't let me vent my anger on you now. Go in there and bring your brother out.
Oga, Piccolo is not around.
Listen to me. Go in there now, bring that idiot outside here now.
See, you, go in there and bring Piccolo.
Hey, Oga.
I say, hey. You say, hey. Come.
How will you enter my house like that?
If I slap you now, in open.
I'm not seeing this.
Must you keep quiet? Osi. No, don't worry. Piccolo think you can.
Don't try this thing again, no.
Maybe shortly.
Shortly.
If Piccolo give original information, but one day, if Piccolo give original information, Siri Bakute, Onyeri Bakute, Onyeri Piccolo, Onyeri. If Piccolo give original information, but one day, if Piccolo give original information, Siri Bakute, Onyeri Bakute, Onyeri Piccolo,
Why are you like this? Why are you like this?
Please, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, please.
Why are you begging me?
Do not hand me over to Gigi, okay? People, we can settle it here. I used to know people say, we have our book. Just bring it out.
So, Izuna and those are in that one. No, we are hungry now. You have Apple and Dofe or the Kisia Dragon. Come, let's go. You are waiting for you in the front.
See, I will give you my sisters, my two sisters. You take one.
How are you even sure that Long John have not been
See, I'm sure even Long John said that my sisters are very nice.
Long John said they are nice?
Yes.
That means only go for now. Only go for now. Why would you go about spreading fake news in the village?
I'm
I'm sorry. No, you don't beg me. Why would you go about spreading the fake news around the village that Chijoke's father has been sleeping with you? Why would you say that?
It's a lie. Forgive me.
No, it's not asking. See, let's go meet you.
We are related. Look at your ears. Look at my ears. Because.
Now look at this idiot.
Hey!
Your boss. There is nothing that will make me not hand you over to the youth. So if you like, beg me from now to tomorrow. They are waiting in the phone. So let's go.
I have 15 naira here. Let me give you so you will smoke cigar.
No, they can see now. But no, they can see. You know, you're 15 naira.
He's wasting our time. Hey. Come on. Hey.
Yeah, we'll give you to leave. Did you see?
I see. The goal is inside that house.
He did not see.
Don't worry.
Where are you going to? Where are you going to?
Yeah, be gone, Mama. Be gone.
You did not see him.
It's time to pay back. No hiding place. Pay back. You can run, but you cannot hide away. This is time to pay back. Long John. Apatania no so. You can disguise. Man onyamume puga. Apatania no so. He can hide, disguise. Mana. Apatania no so. You can disguise. Man onyamume puga. Apatania no so. No hiding place for him. Apatania no so. Apatania no so. You can disguise. Man onyamume puga. Apatania no so.
Who is this young man that is everywhere in the village?
Leader!
You're welcome.
Thank you, my daughter. Who pasted this poster here?
Papa, I don't know. I have been busy at the backyard.
You mean someone came into this compound and pasted this rubbish here without consulting anyone?
Papa, how did the case go?
Oh, you mean the case? The youth have taken over. They have gone to fetch Piccolo from their house. Yes. So, I'm hungry. Is there any food in the house?
Food is still on fire.
Please be fast about it because I'm very, very hungry. Eh?
I'm just having slight headache.
Slight headache?
Yes, Papa.
Let it be. Oh. Did you hear me?
I've taken malaria medicine.
Okay.
Ned, are you alright? Are you sure? You are sure that you are alright?
I'm fine. I'm okay.
There is something about this girl these days that is giving me concern. She said that she's alright. She's vomiting.
I told you you cannot run. You cannot run. Come
on. We, the youth of this village, have decided to punish you squarely.
It's one name. Please, I'm sorry. Forgive me. Please, I'll not do it again.
Piccolo, do you prefer to go to Obubu? Or you rather choose we punish you here accordingly? Wolofu?
Please, I don't want to die by thunder.
Okay then, okay, since you don't want to die by thunder, we are going to flog you 30 strokes of the cane.
Hey, I beg. Hey, 30. Isuna, please, it's too much. Make it 9.5 or 8 with Zora.
This idiot here has already damaged the name of my family. Let me cut off one of his hands. We now add 50 strokes of cane. God digest it.
Yeah, if it's 50, it's okay. But that one, no.
You are wasting time. Give me this cane, let me flog.
You, hold his leg.
My classmate.
Come on,
raise him up.
Hey, my classmate.
Etiko, give original information. Etiko, give original information.
Wanted. What's going on? Wait. Is someone giving out information about me to these villagers? Someone is actually giving out information about me to the villagers. I have to relocate.
How long will I continue like this, eh? This idea of visiting every house with this poster is not working out, though. I am beginning to doubt my prophet. Eh? I don't think Nick is anywhere in this village.
No, I didn't play. No, I didn't play. Baby, baby, you can run, but you cannot hide away. This is time to baby, long jump.
And this poster is being pasted in all the houses in this village, oh. And he's a fine boy, oh. Eh? Okay, let me just see Long John.
Hey, Mama, I'm dead. Mama, 13 strokes of gain in my buttocks.
That serves you right. Next time you learn how to shut your mouth.
Mama, you're wicked. Mama, you're wicked. Oh. This is what you have to say. I am your son, your only son. Mama!
I'll call the youth for you if you insult me again.
Mama, stop them. Call them. Call them, I want to die. Let them come and finish what they have started. Let them come and kill me.
Stop saying that. I have told you should stop running kitty. Eh? See what you have caused to yourself now.
Leave me alone, I want to die. I'm not running kitty. Oh. They've done the wrong kata for my buttocks.
Did I send you to go and gossip? Eh? Did I send you to go and gossip? You have seen the result.
Osita Dizuna. Hey! Mama, look at me! I will deal with Osita Dizuna. Mama, I'm hungry.
Be cool.
Mama, give me food.
Hey! You're hungry. You're not even talking about the pain. You're talking about...
Look at this vision. You are hungry.
You're not hungry. No.
You're not started.
Piccolo cannot be hungry.
Yes.
The pain is too much. I need food to endure the pain.
Which food?
Mama, give me money for massage. Just for Baba, you go and get me food. I'm dying. I want to die. Hey, stop.
I'm okay. Why did you enter my room? Who entered my room? Are you people mad in this house? I am talking to you, Amoga, and you're not saying anything. Have you gone mad? Amoga, I am talking to you. Are you deaf? Chinekime, Amoga, you're walking out on me. In this house. Amoge. I'm talking to you, you're walking out on me. Are you mad? Hey, don't you stop that. Are you mad? I'm talking to you, you're walking out on me. Have you lost it? Adese, mind your business. I have tolerated you enough, so please mind your business. Hey! Oh, you're not talking back at me in this house for what? You dare insult me? Adese, enough is enough. I wasn't the one that chased you out of your husband's house, so please do not take it out on me, okay?
You're working hard.
She won't take back her word. I will not leave her. I'm just respecting. I will not leave her. I am just respecting. I am just respecting matter issue. I will not leave her. I will hold her. Leave me.
If you know what brought you to my house, say it and leave. Because I was busy preparing food for Long John before you called me on phone.
Linda, you and I have been friends for so long, since our childhood. So there's no need making trouble. We have managed to understand each other no matter what happens.
Like I said earlier, my food is on fire. So go straight to the point and stop beating around the bush.
Linda, I'm here to make a proposal for you. I want you to stay away from Long John. I want you to leave him for me. So just tell me what it will cost.
Is that why you are here?
As a matter of fact, I want you and other girls in this village to stay far away from him. You only should leave him for me. He suits me. Just take a good look at me and think about Long John. I am the better person for him. Just leave him for me. Just tell me, name your price, anything it will cost. I am ready to give it to you.
Are you this foolish? I thought you had some sense in you. But it is obvious they buried your placenta in a burial ground. Do you know you are an empty vessel?
Linda, that is actually an insult. But I will ignore it because I am not here to make trouble. I am not here to banter words with you. I just need a proposal. Just give me your answer.
Philomena.
Yes?
Philomena.
That is my name.
Philomena.
Yes?
How many times did I call you?
3 times.
You were stupid. Now listen and listen attentively. Take your dirty, stinking self back to your dirty house. As for Long John, he is mine. And mine will he be forever. I long had him before you even dreamt of snatching him from me. You betrayer. Look at you. You betrayed the little trust I had on you. And you still have the guts to come stand in my presence and spew rubbish. Man, you're crazy. You know what? There is no need wasting my saliva on a dirty pig like you. When you are done here, you know the way to your house. We are no longer friends, Madam Betrayer. Do have a bad day.
Linda, you will regret this. You will regret ever speaking to me in that manner. Unless my name is not Philomena.
It's time to pay back. Pay back. No hiding place. No hiding place. Pay back. Pay back. You can run, but you cannot hide.
Long John.
This is time to pay back. To pay
Long John.
back.
He's
Long,
being
long,
Ngozi.
long, long John. Long John.
Long John.
You can disguise. Man, he can hide, disguise. Mana, you can disguise. No hiding place for him. You can disguise.
Why is your face like this?
Mama, I'm fine. Nothing is wrong with me.
Chizoba, let me go to Adeze's mother house. Oh?
Okay, Mama.
I'll be back.
And what is wrong with you? Mama even noticed that. Loba, what is it? I think I'm not feeling very strong. Maybe it's malaria. I think I'm pregnant. Pregnant? For who? Who is responsible? I'm asking you. Ha!
Darling.
How are you?
I'm fine.
My love, I brought your favorite.
Ha!
Wow. Some food, as usual.
Baby, don't eat the food. She poisoned it.
Huh?
Yes.
Philomena, what did I hear you say?
Why are you pretending as if you don't know what I'm talking about? I saw you. I saw you when I came to your house. So I secretly followed you to this place. I saw you poison the food.
Wow. Is this a new trick? Sweetheart, it will not work for you.
Why are you doing this?
My love, do not listen to her because I did not poison that food.
Linda.
My love.
Did you poison my food?
Of course not. Why would I do that?
Are you sure?
I'm sure. And you? When did you see me poison the food I made myself?
Linda, why are you lying? Why are you such a Jezebel? Just tell him the truth. Tell him the reason you did it. You are only desperate to keep him for yourself. That is why you poisoned the food. Baby, you know I cannot lie to you. She poisoned the food. And don't eat it if you value your life.
Oh.
Yes.
Wow.
Biggie daddy, because of your grandmama. Biggie daddy, they want to kill each other because of you. They call you Biggie daddy, because of your grandmama. Biggie daddy, they want.
I warned you about this. Eh? But you did not listen to me. How do you think Mama will feel about this? Eh? Mama is not going to know. Please. She will not. Mama is not going to know. Eh? You think Mama will not know? Eh? No, she won't. I will remove it. Eh? You will remove what? Are you out of your mind? Are you crazy? Zoba, help me now, please. Help me. Is Long John aware of this? No, he's not. I even went to his house to see him, but he was not around. I am totally disappointed at you. I am disappointed. I'm sorry, please. Please. You're just coming in.
Stop pretending. Yes. Stop pretending. I heard everything. Yes. I heard everything. Obago. Obamigo. See, you think I don't know? I know how you used to go to his house. Pim. No problem. Mama must see about this thing.
Mr. Longer John, he came from afar. Longer John, he came from city. Longer John, Mr. Traveler, fine boy in the village. Long John, every girl want to have you. Long John, they say you be Biggie Daddy, because of your John Thomas. Biggie Daddy, they want to kill each other. Long John, because of you. Long John, they call you Biggie Daddy, because of your John Thomas. Biggie Daddy, they want to kill each other. Long John, because of you. Long John.
Yeah, Ngozi,
Okay.
where are you coming from?
Eh?
Where are you coming from? Eh?
What do you mean by where am I coming from?
Eh?
So it's everywhere you go in this village that you know. I went somewhere.
Somewhere.
Eh?
Somewhere is where? Where is somewhere in this village?
Biapiko, is something wrong with you? Eh? So it's everywhere I go in this village I will now tell you.
No one them one cable. I saw everything. I saw when you were coming out from Long John's house.
Me?
Yes.
Long John house?
You sneaked out from Long John's house.
Wait. When did you see me coming out from Long John house?
Look at your mouth.
I don't like this kind of joke. Eh?
Your mouth is smelling Long John.
Come and clean it for me.
Who is joking with you?
Yeah.
Every day for the thief. One day for the owner.
Please, if you're hungry, go home and eat.
I go and cook.
Also, Nick.
Go home and cook.
How about Nick? Is it not only food?
When you left the house, when you left the house today, you was walking like this. Normal.
Is it
now
your
look
walk?
Look at you. You're not walking like this. I go home. Go home. Come back here.
Madam, Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my dear.
This poster.
Excuse me. Were you not the same lady that insulted me last time?
Ewo. I'm really sorry, madam. Listen, that day I was really in a bad mood. So I poured my anger out on you. I'm sorry. I'm not like that. It's okay. I stopped because of the poster.
Really?
Yes. I think I have a vital information about the guy.
You know